Hello, so now I'm going to do the Diamond Easel card tutorial. So again, as I said before about all of the others, do excuse my dice falling now, you have got your instructions on the back here. You've got a breakdown of all the dies you get. So there is a lot in these die sets. And you've also then got your instructions. So if you do get stuck, they're right there for you. And if you are struggling at all, then you've also got our contact details and we're more than happy to help. But I thought it was worth doing videos for all of them, even though a lot are quite simple to construct, but just in case you don't feel confident until you've done it a few times. So this is how your die set will arrive in the panel, but you will have to separate your dies. So the ones that we're going to use just for the base of the card, so all these ones here are extras. These are just what we've thrown in just because. So you've got nice pretty panels there that match. You've got your layers, so it's just not difficult at all to layer up your card, and you've got some gorgeous flowers in there. So you will need 2 pieces of card, which I think I would spend 2 pieces of card on this just because it's so pretty. So I'm just going to grab some pink card, I think. And then we're going to run this through the die cutting machine. And then you also will need the larger Okay, so that's perfectly cut. So we'll just swap the dies. And then we're cutting the larger panel there that is out of the set. Okay, so there is our next panel. Back in my die set. And then this one is super easy. So you're just going to go straight up like this. And then straight down with this one. So you've got 2 valley folds. And then this is going to bend over to the front there. So it's kind of like an easel card. So if we crease that one first, then that's going to hold a lot solid there. And then you're just going to pop your large panel just onto the front there. Just line up the shapes. And that is going to stand then as your easel. So you're just going to want to put a little stopper there as you would with a normal easel. And then you've got your shaped diamond card there. And as that's folded flat, that looks absolutely gorgeous. But just bear in mind, you're only going to want to put glue on this part here. So up to the fold. And then we're going to line these up. Just give that a good press. And there we go. That is how the easel card will come to you, and then like I say, you just put a stopper there and it completely folds flat if you want it to for posting. So this is one of the easier ones, but it's still super effective and just a nice different card shape.